What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be starting with the red German spec. We're going to be putting some tires on her and giving her some love. But for now we've got this Z4M with us here. I'd love to show you guys around this car. Perfect comparison to the E36 M3. I mean, same motor, same drivetrain. The Z4M obviously has CSL brakes and suspension and stuff like that. But between the two cars, I've had enough seat time in both of them, and they are actually chalk and cheese. They're completely different cars. The M3 is awesome, looks awesome. It's such a comfortable car. But the Z4M, you'll see once we jump into this car, it's just a proper sports car. As soon as you start the car, you know you're in something special. So let's get started, let's get this car started up. Maybe we can do a sound check with both these cars. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's get started. Yeah, both cars sound pretty similar, same motor. Obviously this car has a shorter wheelbase. Dylan, you jumped in this car, you can tell me what's the difference between both of them.
Yeah, it's the Z. Come on, it gives you a proper race car feel.
You jump in and you know it's a sports car.
When you're in it, you just drop into the seat and you already know, like, hi, we're about to go racing or something, gonna take the car to Kyalami. But hey, it's crazy.
Yeah, both cars are decatted with the X-pipe. Before we do some pulls, I just want to let this car warm up. You know these cars in oil temperature. Yo, driving M cars with Air Force Ones are the worst. Yo, because the way you need to hold this clutch, and it's so stiff and deep down, but it's awesome. Just terrible in traffic. Now time for the M3. Sure, let's hope this car starts, man. Be fast, careful. Dead. E36 life, bro. You'll never find a fresh 36.
Never.
With door panels and everything. Yeah. But yeah, we're still gonna have to do the window on this car. But we'll read when we come back, or another time. So for the tire setup, we managed to get some 245 40 17s for the rears, Accelera brand, and we got some Hankook 225, 45, 17s for the front. I got all the tires at Auto Style. They were the best price for all of them. I paid 6,300 for all 4 tires. It wasn't too bad. We're gonna go fit them and get them balanced and stuff now. So let's go. So guys, we are back. We've got the tires mounted nicely at Martins. Shout out to Martins for their awesome service. It was actually pretty fast. We also got the car washed. It looks like a completely different car now. I'm so happy. I'm actually so happy that we're starting to work on this car again. This car has my heart. so yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this content, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, put on the notifications, drop a comment of what you guys enjoy, what type of videos you guys would like to see. And yeah, peace.